light नहीं है, so I'll be a little louder. I hope everybody can hear me. I'm really feeling very nice being here with all the yoginis and the organizers, and everybody did a great job. Sonia has been here throughout. Kal Ganga Aarti when we were together. That divine energy which we can all feel around. शक्ति के बारे में कल बात हो रही थी और आज भी हम सभी की बात कर रहे हैं. Different forms we are trying to actually connect that energy together. Now my topic today is happiness, which I say now because of the current is not there. But I'll just take a few minutes, and the time is very limited today, and I do not want you all to educate on yoga or the knowledge of yoga through the scriptures and all, but I'll just try and share a little experience where I feel the main ingredient of each one, what we feel, is through sukha. Now, sukha prapti, dukha nivritti. We are all here in this world for one reason, and we are running out in every direction to find it. We talk about Patanjali, he talks the same. We talk about Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says the same. That ultimately we all need to feel good, that happiness, reaching to the state of Ananda. Now, in Taittiriya Upanishad, we were told about Panchakoshas in the form of the question and answer between a father and a son, or a guru and a shishya, because उसके father ही उसके शिष्य थे. तो वरुण और भृगु की जो एक journey थी, which we learned through the Panchakoshas, we are all aware of it. That how from Annamay Kosha we went to Anandamay Kosha. In all these things, all we are trying to understand is the root cause of why we are not feeling that happiness and we are running around. जैसे कि बहुत अच्छे से कहा गया है कि जैसे एक हिरण अपने नाभि में छुपी उस कस्तूरी को ढूंढ रहा होता है, उसी तरह हम सब उसे ढूंढ रहे हैं कहीं न कहीं. हम में से बहुत है जो यहाँ योग सिखा रहे हैं और उस योग को सिखाने में उस आनंद को महसूस कर रहे हैं. हम में से बहुत है जो सीखकर उस आनंद को महसूस कर रहे हैं. तो हम हर लेवल पे उस प्लेजर, उस हैप्पीनेस को देखना चाह रहे हैं. एक मंत्र बहुत ही अच्छा सा है जो हम सब बोलते हैं, और हम जब उसे बोलते हैं तो हम ये शायद जानते हुए भी उसे एक सटल वे में अनजाना कर देते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा फोकस कहीं और होता है. और वो इसलिए होता है क्योंकि हमारा कॉन्शियस माइंड, जो कि सिर्फ 5% एक्टिव है, वो हमारे 95% सबकॉन्शियस को ओवरलैप कर देता है. इसलिए हम चाहते हैं हम ध्यान करें, एकाग्रता में आए, ताकि हम उसकी आवाज सुन सकें. और इसीलिए हम सब ये सारा ज्ञान समेटे हुए जो वेद में, उपनिषद में, गीता में, पतंजलि में है. नाउ इन द सेम वे आई जस्ट टॉक अबाउट how we can very easily inculcate. That's what I'm trying to spread a word to Iti Yoga. When I started this, I was just trying to see that how everybody is knowing a lot of things. There's a knowledge which is there, but there is ignorance which is very much beyond. और फिर मैंने एक quotation मुझे बहुत पहले से याद था, जो हमें क्लास में बोला जाता था कि ignorance is bliss. I realized in the essence and the depth of it कि वो ये नहीं बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि बस ज्ञान हो ही ना और आप इग्नोर हो, अज्ञानी की तरह नहीं. वो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं सारा ज्ञान आने के बाद ये विजडम आना बहुत जरूरी है कि उस ज्ञान में भी जो आप जानते हुए भी बैक स्टेप लेके और उस सुख में, उस ब्लिस में रह सकें. कभी कभी बहुत ज्यादा जब हमें आ जाता है तब भी हम उस खुशी से दूर चले जाते हैं. So let's connect to that. Please go to the next slide. The key to happiness, there are a lot of ways, lot of paths, but to understand it in a very, very smaller aspects, movements मैंने यहाँ पे generalized way में लिखा है, लेकिन it is all about the practice, the physical practice of asanas which we do, but we can also do a few forms of movements through dance. मैं कल बात कर रही थी तो अभी आज शायद हमारा प्रोग्राम भी है जहाँ पे डांस मूवमेंट्स होने वाले हैं. आर्टिस्टिक योगा का एक परफॉर्मेंस है. So it is all about music, it's all about movements on the flow of energy. You don't have to always listen to the music from the outside. You can listen to the music from your inside. So that flow is important for your Annamay Kosha. When you come to the energy body, it's very important to be mindful. एक awareness होना. आज हमारी सांस चल रही है. This awareness itself is a bliss in its own for that little layer of energy body. क्योंकि अगर हर लेयर में हैप्पीनेस होगी तभी जाके उस परिपूर्ण आनंद को हम महसूस कर पाएंगे. The next level very quickly is gratitude. I really believe this a lot because being thankful is another way of connecting to yourself. And from there we go to meditation. एकाग्रता, इसके बारे में अभी बात हुई कि how we can focus and nurture the विज्ञान में. उसके बाद आनंद. ना आनंद के लिए सबसे पहले गीता में भी कहा गया है कि it's not about being selfish when we talk about selffulness, which is what is self-love. It's about being yourself, loving yourself the way you are, with all the goods and the bads, being vulnerable. आपकी जो स्ट्रेंथ है उसको तो सभी प्यार करते हैं, पर आपकी कमजोरियों को भी अपनाना और उनसे प्यार करना. I think that's very, very important to understand this and to follow this. With that, I just wind up, and before letting the mind go, I would request that if we can do Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah all together. If you know the chant, please go along with me. I don't want to be the one chanting and you all listening. Please, all of us, let's do it together so that we can actually spread that sukh which we are really wanting for us and for all. Just take a deep breath and relax yourself. We started with one Om chanting.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कस्य दुःखभाग् भवेत्. शांति शांति.